WSDOT would like to welcome you to the virtual public involvement meeting for the United States Highway 63 project, referred to as US 63. The project is located in the city of Cumberland and town of Lakeland, Barron County. Listed here are the project team members developing the design for the US 63 project. Phil Keppers, WSDOT project manager, Brett Hollister, consultant project manager, and Lena Greenfield, WSDOT real estate specialist. Their contact information will be listed later in the presentation, along with the address for the WSDOT Northwest Region office in Superior. Feel free to contact them with any comments or questions regarding the project. The presentation will follow the outline shown here. First, discussing the project location. Second, the project's purpose and need. Third, the proposed improvements. Fourth, construction staging. Fifth, the real estate process. Sixth, project schedule. Seventh, where and how to comment on the project. And finally, eighth, the project team's contact information. The proposed project begins at Charrie Lane in the city of Cumberland and extends north approximately 6.5 miles through Baronet to the Barron-Washburn County line. The project is identified on the map by the blue line. The primary purpose for this project is to maintain a safe and efficient transportation system along US 63 by improving the condition of the roadway pavement and addressing the substandard curb ramps within Baronet. The purpose can be accomplished by addressing the needs of the existing pavement, which is showing signs of significant deterioration and has reached the end of its useful service life, and the existing curb ramps, which do not meet current Americans with Disabilities Act or ADA standards. The primary improvements of the proposed project include resurfacing US 63 with an improved wearing surface. This will be accomplished by removing a portion of the existing asphalt pavement and overlaying the roadway with new pavement. The removing and overlaying of the pavement will include the parking lanes within the unincorporated community of Baronet. The existing curb ramps in Baronet will also be reconstructed to be ADA compliant. Access along the project limits will be evaluated to preserve the safe functioning of the roadway. Existing culverts will be cleaned and culvert ends reset where needed to ensure perpetuation of drainage ways. And finally, pavement marking will be installed along with centerline rumble strips to enhance safety along the corridor. Construction of US 63 is anticipated to take place in 2026 and will be completed approximately June through October. During construction, US 63 will be open to through traffic, and work will be accomplished through the use of single lane closures utilizing flagging operations. It is expected that temporary driveway closures will be required in order to complete the work. The proposed project will require temporary real estate acquisition. The temporary impacts are required due to the project impacts to adjacent properties and will not impact every property along the project limits. The affected properties will mainly be adjacent to the curb ramp improvement areas. The real estate acquisition process will begin after the right-of-way plat has been finalized, and if you are an affected property owner, Lena Greenfield, a WSDOT real estate specialist, will contact you to discuss the process and acquisition required. Lena's contact information is listed here should you have any questions regarding real estate. The project schedule moving forward is listed here. Currently, the project team is working on the preliminary plans and will wrap those up in May of this year. The right-of-way plat will follow and be finalized in August 2024, which will then begin the real estate acquisition process in September 2024. Final plans are due in August 2025, and construction is expected in the summer of 2026. As part of the design process, WSDOT reaches out to project stakeholders to share information about the project and obtain input. WSDOT is requesting you share any comments or concerns you may have about the project by April 19th, 2024 by mailing a comment form or contacting a team member via email or phone. You can find the comment form, including general project information, on the project website at the link shown here. In addition, comments can be mailed to the address shown here. If you prefer to email or call, contact information will be presented on the next slide. As stated previously, shown here is the project team's contact information. Thank you for your time today. Have a great day.